Hi and welcome to another monthly Decred development update. Lots to talk about, including work on Bison Wallet, DCRD, DCR Wallet, a new proposal, new integrations, and much more. So let's dive in. Work has started for the creative refresh of Decred's websites, where the Solarpunk Cypherpunk direction was approved by the community. We'll also be getting a docs.decred.org updated overhaul, bringing things into 2025 with correct information and a new look. All of this lines up perfectly with a predicted altcoin bull run later this year, which would be massive for Decred. We've now passed the 17 million coin mark, a major milestone as Decred has a coin cap of 21 million coins, just like Bitcoin. Only 4 million Decred remain to be minted moving forward. Now looking at Bison Wallet, Decred's peer-to-peer atomic swap exchange, formerly known as DCRDEX, restructured Ethereum wallet code by moving the bridge handling into Base Wallet. This unifies bridge management and makes it easier to extend ETH-related features, modernized sorting code by switching to slices.sort, which is cleaner and less error-prone than manual sorting implementations, implemented bridging support for Pol from Polygon to Ethereum. This expands cross-chain movement options for users holding Pol, simplified database version management, added support for the Across protocol, a popular cross-chain bridge known for fast and cheap transfers. This significantly broadens interoperability for Ethereum assets, improved wallet configuration user experience by fixing tooltip bindings. Tooltips now show properly even for repeated elements, reducing user error during setup, extended database capabilities to allow set and get operations inside transactions. This means multiple database changes can be grouped atomically, improving data integrity. Introduced tracking for Polygon bridge deposit completion. Now the system can reliably confirm when user deposits via the bridge, reducing risk of stuck funds. Work to add the base network has been merged. Enhanced multi-hop arbitrage, which is a trading across multiple markets. Improvements make strategies more efficient, potentially capturing better spreads and liquidity opportunities. Introduced private atomic swap wallets for Bitcoin and Decred. This improves on-chain privacy for users by obscuring swap-related wallet activity, a major privacy enhancement, and it uses adapter signatures. Added gasless redemptions for Ethereum and Polygon swaps using account abstraction. Users can redeem without directly paying gas, lowering barriers for participation and improving user experience. On top of this, work is ongoing to do a redesign of Bison Wallet to make it more modern and appealing. A paid research session was even conducted to gather user feedback, both from current Bison Wallet users and non-users. So stay tuned for a redesign release. Mesh work is still ongoing, of course, and Monero work is also in progress with them moving to phase 2 of the integration. There was also a small bug fixed related to Bison Wallet where the SPV syncer would cause the client to crash. Decred Africa has been relaunched and has been actively posting informational threads about Decred on X in order to expand their reach in Africa. They've run an X Space, held a writing contest, and plan to step up their operations by connecting with other Web3 communities in Africa. Last year, they presented Decred and Bison Wallet at DevFest Court Hardcore 2024 in Nigeria.
They don't have the confidence that their coins are safe, alright? So Decred offers you a platform that ensures that you trade securely and you are confident that your coins are secure. This is because the wallet, which we call Bison Wallet,
For more information, follow Decred AF on X. Decred has been listed on nonkyc.io, a privacy-respecting exchange that, as the name implies, has zero KYC requirements. A DCR USDT pair is now live and anyone is free to sign up and trade. Remember, not your keys, not your coins, and you should not leave your coins on centralized exchanges as they are subject to hacks and rug pulls. Now looking at DCR Wallet, the wallet now ignores repeat block-connected notifications that appear during chain reorganizations. This prevents unnecessary processing and improves stability. Tickets that were never mined are now removed from both the wallet database and VSP tracking. 2 issues in the VSP payment confirmation logic have been resolved. These fixes improve reliability when confirming fee payments. The stake pool size is now always included in API responses. Redundant code in the fee payment process has been eliminated. The wallet now guarantees all tickets are handled by VSP logic. This changes addresses cases where some tickets could be skipped. DCR Wallet has been upgraded to use the latest privacy mixing library, and the order of lock acquisition on database and address resources was corrected. Now looking at DCRD, Decred's full node, various improvements and fixes were made to the Mix client to improve Decred's stake shuffle privacy experience. The Mix client had a bug where if all local peers were cancelled, it would get stuck in a loop that wasted CPU power and spammed debug logs until things eventually timed out. This fix makes the client stop immediately by returning an error when there is no peers left. They also fixed mixing test timeouts. The old generate RPC assumed only one miner was running, which caused problems on shared networks, like creating extra forks or adding the wrong number of blocks when other miners were active. This update reworks it so it always extends the main chain by the exact number of blocks requested, no matter where the blocks come from, and returns the correct block hashes that actually made it onto the chain. For complete information on the incredible work being done on DCRD, check out GitHub to read all the changes. This work will eventually be included in the version 2.1.0 release. Base 58 version 1.0.6 has been released. This includes 1.5 to 2 times faster address decoding, which means faster load times for wallets and less battery usage for mobile, and will be a part of the next DCRD release. Phoenix Green created a video on SegWit and Decred's transaction serialization architecture.
In Decred's blockchain, signature script isolation separates witness data, preventing malleability, enhancing security, enabling fraud proofs via Merkle trees, and boosting reliability for its hybrid consensus. This immutability is crucial for wallets, explorers, payment processors, contracts, payment channels, and any mechanism that relies on pre-signed transactions. Enhanced security through fraud-proof integration. While excluded from the transaction ID, witness data is still cryptographically bound to the block through a dedicated Merkle tree. Any attempt to alter it breaks the block hash and is immediately invalid. Decred also integrates fraud proofs into this structure, allowing lightweight clients to verify transactions without downloading the full blockchain. This ensures mobile wallets and light nodes can securely detect invalid or malicious blocks. Historically, Decred was one of the earliest blockchains to adopt this design. It was also the first blockchain to launch with signature script isolation, SegWit, built in from the start. This early integration showcased forward-thinking design to address malleability and efficiency proactively.
The proposal production-grade mobile SPV support for Decred via Unstoppable Wallet requested funding to build 2 fully native SPV libraries, one in Swift for iOS and one in Kotlin for Android, along with the integration into Unstoppable Wallet. The aim was to give Decred users a secure, production-grade mobile experience, making DCR more accessible to mainstream users. Unstoppable Wallet supports a wide range of coins, including other layer 1s like Zcash, Dash, and Monero. They are committed to integrating privacy-focused projects. The wallet even has a section for tracking prices and looking at trading charts. They asked for $100,000 in Decred to complete this. The proposal ultimately did not pass with 50% voter approval and a 42% turnout. A potential reason the proposal did not pass is the uncertainty around their ability to natively build Decred's SPV-specific model, which uses compact block filters, and the SPV wallets currently used on Unstoppable Wallet use Bloom filters, which are different. Unstoppable Wallet has submitted a follow-up proposal after taking into account the community's feedback. Alterations include, the ask is reduced from $100,000 to $70,000. They've specified the SPV libraries will be the proper compact filter variant, which is peer-to-peer sync, not the outdated Bloom model. Decred focused marketing and PR within their ecosystem and social media channels, research on DEX and swapping feasibility, and a longer time frame for the integration. Thanks for watching this Decred news update. Be sure to check out decred.org to learn more about the project.